Hello techies. In this session, we will learn what is Microsoft Power Automate and what we can do with Microsoft Power Automate. First, we will understand what is Microsoft Power Automate. Microsoft announced a new RPA tool named Power Automate at Ignite 2019. Microsoft rebrands Microsoft Flow as Power Automate, which is a versatile automation platform that integrates seamlessly with thousands of apps and services. Microsoft Power Automate is a cloud-based software or an online workflow service that helps users to automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows without needing to write code. With Microsoft Power Automate, we will be able to automate our repetitive daily tasks. Microsoft Power Automate connects different apps and services like Outlook, SharePoint, Excel, Teams, and many more by allowing users to set up automated processes that save time and reduce human errors. For an example, we can create an automated flow that saves email attachments to a specific folder automatically. We can create an automated flow that sends a team notification when a new file is added to OneDrive. We can create an automated flow to copy forms responses into an Excel sheet for easy tracking. The main purpose of Microsoft Power Automate is to automate routine processes that are used over and over in our work or businesses. Virtually all automated flows begin with a triggering event and end with an action in response to the event. Alright, what we can do with Microsoft Power Automate? Microsoft Power Automate is a game changer for automating workflows, simplifying repetitive tasks, and integrating applications seamlessly. By using Power Automate, we can automate workflows between applications and services, sync files, get notifications, collect data, and many more. For an example, we can automate the task instantly responding to high priority notifications or emails. We can automate the task to capture, track, and follow up with new sales leads. We can automate the task to copy all email attachments to OneDrive for business account. We can automate the task to collect data about our business and share that information with our team. We can automate the task to automate approval workflows. By using Power Automate, we can automate by integrating applications such as connecting Microsoft and third-party apps effortlessly so that we can ensuring smooth data flow across systems like Outlook, SharePoint, Teams, and Dynamics 365. By using Power Automate, we can enable AI-powered automation using of AI Builder to implement intelligent document processing, sentiment analysis, and predictive analytics. By using Power Automate, we can automate desktop processes. With Power Automate Desktop, we can create RPA solutions that interact with the legacy applications, web pages, and many more. And also by using Power Automate, we can monitor and optimize workflows to gain insights into the workflow's efficiency, identify bottlenecks, and optimize processes for better performance.